Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Spotify queue and how to add songs to your upcoming playlist. First, open Spotify and choose any song that you want to add to the queue. Now, click the three dots next to the song. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, find the Add to Queue option and click on it. The song has now been added to your queue. You can repeat the same process for any other song. Simply click the three dots next to another song and select Add to Queue. Now, let's check the queue. Open the current Now Playing section and look for the queue option. Click on Queue to see the songs that are scheduled to play next. Here, you can see the song you just added, along with any other songs already waiting in the queue. The queue is useful when you want to decide which songs should play next without creating or changing a playlist. You can add multiple songs to the queue one by one. If you change your mind and want to remove a song, open the queue and use the available remove option for that song. You can also review the order of the upcoming songs from the queue screen. Remember that adding a song to the queue does not permanently add it to a playlist. It only changes what Spotify will play next. So whenever you want to quickly play a few specific songs next, you can use the Add to Queue option. That's it. Using the Spotify queue is a simple way to manage your upcoming songs and control what plays next. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.